What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm here to do another AliExpress hair unboxing for you guys. Yes, so as you guys know, I've already done a review slash unboxing on this hair. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it for you guys here, and I'll also pin it for you guys in the comment box. But I'm really loving this hair. I'm loving it. Like it's been on my head now for like 4 days now since I glue it down and it didn't came out. I also pick up two glue from AliExpress, but I didn't use that, but I used the got to be sprayed. That's what I use on this hair, and I really love it. So let's jump into this new hair that I picked up from AliExpress, and I'm also going to show you guys the glue that I picked up. I've saw a lot of nice review on this glue. I couldn't find it here in Holland, and I saw it in AliExpress. I saw a lot of great review on it, so I decided to pick it up. So I'm also going to show you guys that glue and also show you guys this hair. But before we jump in this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again. And if you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. All the information will be in the description box. Let's jump into this tutorial. So I picked up two hair. This video is not sponsored. Disclaimer, these people don't even know I do YouTube videos, and they don't know nothing about me. I purchased this hair with my own money. I'll put the price, how much I purchased this hair. They were having sales on AliExpress when I bought this hair, so I'll put the price for you guys here so you guys can know how much this hair costs. I really love this one. I love wearing it like sideways or all back, and I did it some side parts on this hair. So first let's start with this one. So this is how this one, it first came with this DHL package. Shipping was very fast. Like, I don't know, like DHL is expensive, but Lord, DHL is very fast when it comes to shipping. When you ship through DHL, you know you're getting your package very quickly, but the price of shipping it, Lord have mercy. So that is it. So first let's talk about this hair. This hair is 12 inches, 150 density. So it's written here. I don't have to stress my head. It's 12 inches, 150 density. And this hair is 13 by 4. Is that how? 13 by 4? I don't know. But it means that the front is all lace and a little bit, and then the rest is just a cap. Is that a decent way to explain it? But this is like a bob wig. This is short. You guys know I'm not really into bright color wig. I used to have one in the past, which I didn't really felt it, but I really wanted to try something colorful. I don't want to be just me being black. I want to try something different. So I thought, you know what, let me pick up one of this wig and give it a try. So this is 12 inches, and the color is mixed. So you have black, brown, a little bit of, you know, blonde in it. It's really nice. I really like it. So this is how the lace is looking inside. So you have 13 by 4. So this is what the lace is looking like, and I really like it like this. I love the fact it has all the lace at the front. You can, you know, part it a little bit, style a little bit the way you want it. If you want a middle part or a side part, just a little bit from here, side it, and yeah. But it comes all it's already plucked. That's what they said. It's already plucked. Everything is already looking good. So, but if you're somebody who is like into, you know, a lot about hair, because I'm still learning when it comes to wig. I'm still learning. These days I have been bench watching a lot of wig videos. You guys have no idea how to fix it, how to lay the baby hair, and how to do all those, how you guys do it that makes the wig look so beautiful. I have been bench watching a lot of videos. When I said a lot of videos, I'm not kidding. I'm not joking. A lot of videos. So yeah, this is what this one looked like. It's really beautiful. I can't wait to try this one. I was so scared to cut this one myself. What is wrong with this lamp? Okay, yeah, it's not working. I was so scared to cut this one myself, but then my wife, when I said my wife, I mean my brother's wife, okay? but I'm an African, so we always say my wife. I don't say my brother's wife, but I say my wife. But I mean my brother's wife. She was like, oh, you can do it yourself. She just encouraged me to cut it on my own. And I finally did. And okay, I was like, okay, I'm impressed. I like the way I cut it because I was a little bit scared. But I cut it nice and I really, really love it. So I can't wait to try. Excuse the noise in the background of the kit if you guys can hear it. Please, I'm begging. So this is what this one is looking like. And the inside, it comes with 4 combs. You have 1 hair, 2, 3, and 1 at the back, and it also comes with this elastic band. But I always like to sew my own elastic band into it. I don't know why, I just love it to sew my own instead of just rely on this one. You know, the one that you sew when you just put it on, that one goes nowhere. So this is what this one is looking like. I'm really, really loving it. I can't wait to put this on. I can't wait to give this one a try. And then the last but not the least, this one is also, though this one I can't even understand what they're writing here. This one is also 13 by 4, 24 inches. How many density? Because I don't understand the density of this hair. I don't understand what they write, but I will put on the screen how much density is the hair. But this one was a little bit expensive because this is a bang wig. It's 24 inches. When I said 24, I wasn't playing. I just love the long hair this night. When I picked this one and I really love it, and I thought, you know what, let me get something also longer. And this one is, woo, this one is with a bang, with a Chinese skirt. That's how I always like to say, Chinese skirts. And I really love it, you know. So this one is the bang, and this one is also 13 by 4, and this one came with the fake scalp thing. I don't know how you guys say it, but yeah, this one comes with the fake scalp. Scalp, is that how you guys pronounce it? If I'm wrong, please excuse more. But it came with a fake scalp. So this one, when you put it on, you see it make it looks like it's your own, scalp, like it's your own head. I don't know, like this one. That's how it make it look like. So this is what this one is looking like. This is pretty nice. This one also comes, and both hair are from the same company. When I bought it, they are from the same company, and I really just like it. And I thought, you know what, let me just pick the other one. Actually, I wanted to get this one first, and then I saw this one, and I thought, let me just get both of them. But this one also comes with 4 combs, 3 at the front, 1 at the back, and also with the elastic. This one doesn't have any lace at the, it don't have any lace at the back like this one. This one do have a little bit of lace at the back, but this one have nothing. So it's pretty soft inside. And I don't know, this fake scalp thing looks very feels very funny, but it looks nice, you know. When you try to pat it and look at it, it looks pretty nice. It looks really nice. So I can't wait to give this a try, to put it on. I can't wait because I really wanted something that just covered my face, and something that just allow me to just leave my edges alone, allow me not to just play with my edges, give my edges some break. And this is really, really nice. And this is 24 inches. Yeah, 24 inches. Just that the package, the density that they write, I can't really read it. I don't understand the density, what the handwriting. But I'll look on my phone, and I'll put it for you guys here, so you guys can know how much density is this one. But it is really beautiful. It's really, really nice. I love it. If not because I was wearing this wig, I would have put this one on top just to see. Yo, see, oh Lord have mercy. I can't wait to have this on. Like, see, oh, don't move. I know my hair underneath is going to spoil. Oh, this looks so nice. The bang looks so cute. I can't, oh, did I mess you up? I can't wait to put this on. I can't wait. Like, I can't wait. I'm also gonna attempt to cut the lace myself. I'm gonna watch a lot of videos and then I'm gonna cut, because that's the same thing I did with this one. I watched a lot of tutorials and then I cut the lace myself. But this one, the lace is very, very soft, very soft compared to this one. And this one, the lace is very strong. It feels so plasticky, very strong. It's brown, but it's not like as brown as this one. This one kind of like really matches my skin when I put it, and the lace is very soft. I feel like when you use got to be gel or spray, this one is going to melt into your skin very easily, and I really like it. So guys, these are the two wigs. I'll put the price also on the screen because I don't know how much it cost. It's on my mobile phone and I'm filming with my phone, so I do not know the price of it, but I know that they were a little bit expensive. This one was a little bit expensive, but I'll put the price on the screen. And I also wanted to get a curly one, so now I have this one, I have this one, I have a black one also that is a bob. I do have a red one, and I do have a one that is like green black. So I want to get one that is like curly, the curly one, and then after getting that, I feel like I can take a break and then just be rotating myself through the wig and trying to allow my natural hair to grow and just leave my hair alone, you know, just be washing it, deep conditioner it, doing natural treatment on it, but not manipulating it all the time. Yeah, but this is what the wig looks like. I really like it. It looks really nice. It looks so beautiful. They look so good. They look really nice. This one feels so soft, guys. They're really beautiful. This is long. This is really long. And I love that sleekness, you know, that really nice. So now let me show you guys the glue I bought. This is the glue I bought from AliExpress. I've seen a lot of great reviews when it comes to this glue, so I decided to pick it up. On the when you buy it, the shipping, they tell you it will take you January before it comes. When I wanted to buy it, shipping were like, yeah, it will come in January. I was like, January. I didn't want to get it all. Somebody tell me just buy it, it will come. I was like, okay, let me just buy it if you say so. So I bought it, but it came like 2 weeks later. This thing were here, and this is the oil remover. So when you use this one to put, when you want to take it off, you need to put the oil and it's removed easily. I've also tested out on my skin. When you put this one on your skin, when it dry very, you can't even see that you have like a glue. And then when you want to remove it, you have to drop the oil there and then massage the oil into the glue. And that is how it came out. Very simple. I've not tried it on my head yet, but I've tried it on my hand when I first get it. And when I was cutting this lace, I cut a little bit because it was too all the way here. So I cut some of the lace and then I used that one to test it. Yo, when I tell you this thing fixed really nice. The reason why I didn't use it, because this was I was like, I'm first trying, let me not come and mess things up. So that's the reason why I just used the got to be spray instead of using this one. But the next wig that I'm going to fix, I'm definitely going to use this one, because I love the way how the lace just lay down, how the gel just melts into the lace and everything just lay down really nice. I feel like when you have this one, depending on how you go about it, you can have this one, I think, for like 2-3 days, because this one I use got to be spray, and I've had it now for like 4 days going to 5 days. What I do when I'm about to take shower, I just take those small head tie, I tie the front, and then I wash my face and I do all the things I need to do. And then when I'm done, I just remove the scalp, remove the head tie, let it dry, go in with hair mousse and lay the edges and tie it again. That is what I have been doing, and it has been working. So guys, this is the hair glue, and this is the remover. These are the wig. This one fell down. This one are the AliExpress wig. Hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box. I'm super excited to try out this hair. I can't wait to test it. I feel like when I take this one off, I'm going to try this one. That's what I'm feeling. I just want to try this one because this one I'm a little bit like, So let me first try it and see if I will like it or not before I will test this one out, because of the bright color. I'm not really into like super bright color when it comes to hair, but you know what, one has to get out of their comfort zone and try different things. So yeah, thank you guys so much, Team Fullest, for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out. And I got this AMIFULLEST ring. You know, it says AMIFULLEST. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video.